we are here to teach you about our volcano. A volcano is a vent in the Earth's crust from which melted or hot rock and steam come out. It is the shape of a hill or mountain, composed entirely or in part of the material thrown out.
Volcanoes' lava spreads a lot through Earth's crust. Lava is 100% dangerous, and it spreads so far. Lava is very fast falling down a lava fall. Fresh lava ranges from 1,300 to 2,200 Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching our landform presentation.